Hello students, welcome you all with this new video on topic subject-verb agreement. This is a new topic in your grammar. So let's start. But before starting this topic, we must revise few things, and those few things are subject and verb. So one by one we will revise these. Students, subject is one that performs the action in a sentence. Look at this example. The girl reads a letter. So, what is the action which is going on here? Action is to read. Who is reading it? The girl. That means the girl performs the action here. So, we got to know that the girl is subject. Now you have to remember one more thing, that a subject is always a noun or a pronoun. Noun is a naming word, and noun that could be a subject. It is always singular or plural in number. Singular means it could be one or more than one. Now, what are pronouns? Pronoun is a word which we use in place of a noun. And we have 7 subjective pronouns which I have shown you in this slide also. So in first person we have I and we. In second person we have you. And in third person we have he, she, it and they. Now we will revise that what is a verb. A verb is a word that expresses an action, condition or state of being. Or in another way, I can say that that's what's happening is a verb. Now we just revise subject and verb. Now we must talk about agreement also. That what is agreement? Agreement means when two persons they get agree on something, or we could say concord, or when someone comes to an agreement. So that means subject verb agreement means that a verb must agree with its subject in number. Now what is it? Well, in an easy way I can say that a singular subject needs a singular verb and a plural subject needs a plural verb. Students, let's try to understand it with the help of this chart. Now, as you could see that one side I have given you subjects in small boxes, and other sides I have given you verbs with example. So, you can see the first picture, Rama, singular, only one person. Rama is subject here, and the rule is that when our subject is singular, we add s or es in the main verb. So, if I have to give you example, it would be Rama walks to school. That means that we have added s in walk. We do this rule only in present simple tense, present indefinite tense. Now look at the second picture. In second box, plural. Now we have two kids here, the kids. So for plural we have rule that we do not add an s in verb when we say something in present simple tense. So if I have to give you example of this, I can say that the kids walk to school. I would not add any s in walk. Or you could see one more thing here in the box, compound subject. That means when two singular subjects are joined with and, like Rama and Jacob. So these are also considered as plural subject. That means when two names are there and they are joined by and, those would be plural subject. So we would make the sentence Rama and Jacob walk to school. So you can see that we haven't added s here. Students, we have one rule breaker here, and this rule breaker is that when you have your subjects and in your subjects you have I or you, so you do not add s or es in the verb, though I and you both are used for singulars. So examples are there, I go to sleep or you go to sleep, but we haven't added s there, right? To understand it more, we have one chart here that in present tense, how you would use your first person, second person and third person, and same in past tense, and you can see. So let me read these for you. So in present tense, when your subject is singular, you would say, and this is for to be verb, I am, you are, he or she or it is. And for plural, we are, you are, they are. Now for past tense, now this is again for to be verb. So for singulars, I was, you were, he, she, it was, we were, that is for plural, you were, they were. And now for main verb, for present simple tense, where we use this rule of adding s. So when we use I, we would say I sing. We will not add s here. With you, you sing. You will not add s here. But when your subjects would be he, she or it, you would say he sings, she sings, it sings. But for plural, we sing, you sing, they sing. So that means you will not add s with the plurals. Remember this rule, it's very important. We can see few more examples. Now, baby crowds. Baby is singular, one. So we have added s here. And second one, babies growl. Babies, now we have more than one, so we will not add s here. Other example, this is for to be verb. Baby is happy. When there is only one baby, singular, you will use is with it. And when we have plurals, babies, then you would say babies are happy. So what do you have to remember? That in present simple tense main verb, you have to add s if your subject is singular. But we do not add any as if the subject is plural. And which are the rule breakers here? I and you. When your subjects are I and you will not add s. We have few more rules, and the very first one is, which I have already discussed, though I am going to say it again. So when two subjects means when two singular subjects are joined by and, the verb is plural. Example, my friend and his mother. So these are two persons now, friend and his mother. So this subject became plural. My friend and his mother are in town. So this is to be verb are, which is used for plural. So this was compound noun rule. Now we'll go for next, indefinite pronouns. Students, now remember that if you are using indefinite pronouns like everyone, each one, someone, somebody, no one, nobody, anyone, anybody, etc. So with these you always use singular verb, singular helping verbs mainly. Okay, examples: everyone is selfish. Though remember one thing, that in indefinite pronouns we have few more words like few, some, both, all, etc. With these we use plural verbs. Now the next rule, which is important for you, that the verb in an or either or neither nor sentences agrees with the noun or pronoun closest to it. Now let me make it easier for you. Students, whenever you would have sentences where you would use either or, neither nor, so in such sentences your verb would agree with the closest noun or pronoun. So see the example: neither the plates nor the serving bowl. Now which is the nearest with the verb? That is bowl, and bowl is singular here. So that is why we have used goes. Neither the plates nor the serving bowl goes on that shelf. Let's read the next example. Neither the serving bowl nor the plates go on that shelf. Now you must be thinking that these two sentences, they look same. So what is the difference? Just see carefully that in the first one, bowl is singular, which is near to the main verb, that is go. So it is singular, that is why we have used goes. Es is added here. But in the second sentence, main verb, that is nearest to plates. Plates is plural, and that is why we will not use here es. We would use plural verb. So it would be neither the serving bowl nor the plates go on that shelf. Students, these were few rules which I wanted to make you understand. But the most important key is here, that if you want to do the correct subject verb agreement, then you just have to find out that what is the subject here in any sentence, and after that you just have to find out that whether that subject is singular or plural. And if you know it once, you can solve such exercises very easily which are related to subject verb agreement. So I hope that this topic is understood to you. Keep practicing, watch this video again and again, and if some doubts are there, please write it in comment. Thank you very much.